say more English.
Hi, I heard you were sick, so I came to see you.
Hi, thank you for coming. It means a lot to me.
How are you feeling today?
I feel a little better than yesterday, but still very tired.
I'm glad you're feeling better.
Yes, the medicine is helping.
When did you start feeling sick?
I started feeling sick 3 days ago.
What symptoms do you have now?
I still have a cough and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
No, my fever is gone now.
Did you see a doctor?
Yes, I went to the doctor yesterday.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor said I need more rest and more water.
Are you staying home from work?
Yes, I took a few days off.
That's a good idea.
I didn't want to get anyone else sick.
Did you eat anything today?
I had some soup this morning.
Soup is good when you're sick.
Yes, it's easy to eat.
I brought you some fruit and juice.
That's so kind of you.
Are you sleeping well?
Not very well, but I try to rest during the day.
I'm sure you'll feel better soon.
I hope so.
If you need anything, please let me know.
Thank you.
I can help with groceries or errands.
That would be great.
I'll check on you again tomorrow.
I'd like that.
Take care and get plenty of rest.
I will. Thanks again for coming.